Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 8 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter transformation and similarity. The lessons we're going to cover today are we're going to here I'm on grade 8 math. The chapter we're on right now is transformations and similarities. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is similar and congruent figures. Are these shapes similar? You are given the shapes, you have to see if they are similar. Angle F is congruent to angle K, angle C is congruent to angle H, angle D is congruent to angle I, and angle E is congruent to angle J. So the angles are congruent, right? Now, if the corresponding sides are proportional, start by finding the length of all the sides. FC and GH have same ratio, that is 42 over 42, 1 over 1. CD and HI have same ratio, 27 over 26. DE and IJ have a ratio 20 over 21. And EJ and JK have a ratio 27 over 26. The ratios are not all same, so the corresponding sides are not proportional. So the correct option is no, they are not proportional. The corresponding sides are not proportional, so the shape are not similar. Let's just start with the test questions. Are these shapes congruent? So just look at the angles. Angle P is congruent to angle S. Sorry, angle Q is congruent to angle S. Angle P is congruent to angle T. Angle N is congruent to angle B, and angle O is congruent to angle U. Now let's just form a ratio between the similar sides, that is 31 over 36, because QN is similar to SV and NO is similar to BU, that is also 31 over 36. So they have the same ratio, right? The similar sides have same ratio, that means yes, the shape, they are congruent. The correct option is yes, it is, they are congruent. They are not similar, but why? The sides are not congruent, right? The correct option is no. Are these shapes similar? No, they are not similar. The correct option is no. But now, how why they are similar? Or the ratio must be same. The ratios are 13 by element, so the corresponding sides are proportional. Let's just move on to the next one. Are these shapes similar? Similar shapes. Are these shapes similar? Angles are similar, but their corresponding sides are not similar. So the corresponding sides have not similar ratios. So the correct option is no, they are not similar. Are these shapes similar? Yes, they are similar. Option number one is the correct option. Are these shapes similar? No, they are not similar. The correct option is no. Are these shapes similar? No, they are not similar. Option number two is the correct option. Are these shapes similar, which is the correct option? No, they are not similar. The correct option is no. Are these shapes congruent? Yes, they are congruent. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is dilations, graph the image. Graph the image of trapezoid STUV after a dilation with a scale factor of 4 centered at the origin. The scale factor of a dilation is the ratio of the length in the image to the corresponding length in the original plane. The dilation is centered at the origin, so you can find the image by multiplying x and y coordinates by the scale factor. So you have to multiply the coordinates by the scale factor. The coordinates, let's just multiply each and every coordinate by 4 because the dilation is 4. So here is the image that is the related points of a trapezoid used to similar to STUV. Let's just start with the test questions. Graph the image of triangle JKL after dilation with a factor of 2. Centered at the origin. So you have to multiply each and coordinate by 2 because the dilation factor is the scale factor is 2. So L has the coordinates 3 and 1. So L dash has 6 and 3. So K has the coordinates -5 and 1. So that is -10 and 2. And then J has the coordinates -5 and -4. So the J dot has the coordinates because you need to multiply every coordinate by 2. So that is -10 and -8. Now let's just see which is the dilated image. That is the second option. So let's just check the coordinates 6 and 2. K dash is -10 and 2. J dash is -10 and -8. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is the dilated image. Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. Graph the image of the kite GEFGH with a dilation after a dilation with a scale factor of 5. So you have to multiply each coordinate by 5 because the dilation factor is 5. The factor is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Graph the image of the square BCDE after dilation with a scale factor of 1 by 5 accepted at the origin. So that is the scale factor is 1 by 5. So it would be the smaller square than the original factor. So option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Graph the image of parallelogram to UVW after dilation with a scale factor of 4. Centered at the origin. So which is the correct option? The scale factor is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Graph the image of the rectangle BCDE after a dilation with a scale factor of 1 by 5 centered at the origin. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. Graph the image of trapezoid STUV after dilation with a scale factor of 4 centered at the origin. The scale factor is 4, so which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. Graph the image of triangle LMN after dilation with a scale factor of 4 centered at the origin. So the scale factor is 4. So you have to multiply each coordinate by 4 because that is centered at the origin. So simply multiply by the 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by let me just move on to the next lesson. Dilation, find the coordinates. Write the coordinates of the vertices after dilation with a scale factor of 2 centered at the origin. The scale factor for dilation is the ratio of the length in the image to corresponding length in the original figure. You have to write the coordinates. You already know how to. You have to multiply all the factors by 4. By 2 because the dilation factor is 2. Let's just start with the test questions. Write the coordinates of the vertices after a dilation with a scale factor of 1 by 2 set there at the origin. So the scale factor is 1 by 2 now. M has the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Four and 8. Has the vertices 4 and 0. L has the vertices negative 2 and 2. You have to divide them by 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write the coordinates of the vertices after a dilation with a scale factor of 3 centered at the origin. You have to multiply the coordinates by 3. F has the coordinates 3, 1. G has the coordinates negative 2 and 2, negative 2 and 1. D has the coordinates negative 3 and negative 1. And E has the coordinates 2 and negative 1. We have to multiply them by 2, 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the coordinates of the vertices after the dilation with a scale factor of 3 centered at the origin. So, which is the correct option? So, which is the correct option? E has the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, and negative 4 and negative 3. F has the coordinates 5 and 4. G has the coordinates 4 and 5, and H has the coordinates 4 and negative 3. So, option number 2 is the correct option. They are exactly the same. Negative 4, negative 3, negative 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, negative 3. But they are exactly same. Write the coordinates of the vertices after a dilation with a scale factor of 1, 4 centered at the origin. So, which is the correct option? R has the coordinates negative 4, negative 4. S has the coordinates 0 and negative 4. T has the coordinates 0 and 8. And U has the coordinates negative 4 and 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. You have to divide all the coordinates by 4 because the dilation factor is 1 by scale factor is 1 by 4. So that is negative 1, negative 1, 0, negative 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is dilation, scale factor, and classification. The blue shape is the dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor of the dilation? So you need to find the scale factor. You need to find the coordinates of the black one and the blue one. Then you can find the ratio between their similar size. Then you can have your scale factor. So the original shape is blue shape. Find the length of one side in the original shape. The side connects negative 8, 8. That is 16 units long. That is for the bigger one. These two corners are 16 units long. Now find the length of the corresponding side in the image. That is 4 units. So 4 divided by 16 equals 1 by 4. The black one is the original one and the blue one is the dilated image. So 4 divided by 16 equals 1 by 4. So the scale factor is 1 by 4. Let's just start with the test questions. The blue shape is a dilation of the black shape. Is it an enlargement or a reduction? Blue is the dilation of the black. So black one is the original one and blue one is the dilated one. So that is enlargement because the black one is smaller and the blue one is larger in size. So that is the enlargement. Option number one is the correct option. The blue shape is a dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor of the dilation? Blue is the dilation of black, right? So let's just find the coordinates. The side length of the blue one, black one is 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. 6 it is. So you have to divide 6 over 2. The 6 over 2 is 3 because that is enlargement. The correct option is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. The orange shape is a dilation of the black shape. Is it an enlargement or reduction? Orange is dilation of black. So that is enlargement because the black one is smaller in size, but the orange one is bigger in size. So the orange one is the enlargement of the black. Option number 1 is the correct option. The green shape is a dilation of the black shape. Is it an enlargement or a reduction? Green is the original one. No, the green is the dilation of the black shape. So reduction it is because the original one is the larger one and the other one is smaller. So reduction it is. The blue shape is the dilation of the black shape. What is the scale for dilation? Blue is the dilation of the black. That is 1/4. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1 by 4. Option number one is the correct option, that is 1 by 4. The blue shape is a dilation of the black shape. Is it an enlargement or reduction? Mm, Reduction it is, because blue is the dilated one and black is the original, so reduction it is. Option number two is the correct option. The orange shape is a dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor of the dilation? Option number two is the correct option. Three it is. The dilation scale factor is 3. The purple shape is a dilation of the black shape. Is it an enlargement or reduction? That is an enlargement. Option number one is the correct option. The green shape is a dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor of the dilation? Shape is a dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor of the dilation? That is 1 by 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. The blue shape is a dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor of the dilation? Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself here today. So we were working on grade 8 math. Chapter we're working on is transformation and similarity. The lessons we have covered today are similar and congruent figures, dilation, graph the image, dilation, find the coordinates, and dilation, scale factors, and classifications. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons you just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.